Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a lamb mince meatball. In this recipe, you will get lots of vitamins and minerals because we're using lots of vegetables, herbs and spices that will help you in your health. So now I'm going to introduce all ingredients. Little bit coriander, 1 onion, 1 carrot, half a cup broccoli. Also, I use broccoli stem, 500 gram lamb mince, but you can use chicken mince or any other meat mince. And if you want to make vegetarian side, you can use mashed potato. It's also going to turn out good. 4 eggs, 2 pinch chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon ginger paste, quarter teaspoon garlic paste, half a teaspoon salt according to your taste, little bit thyme, half a teaspoon dry oregano, 1 cup breadcrumbs, few leaf basil, 2 tablespoons light olive oil and half a tablespoon coriander powder. Now I'm going to crush all vegetable in a food processor. Then in a lamb mince I'm going to add this crushed vegetable with egg, all herbs and spices. So I'm gonna start with onion. So first we're going to crush onion and then we're going to crush vegetables. We don't want to crush too fine. We want to leave small bits in it. That's how we want. Now I'm going to crush vegetable. Now it's vegetables turn. Reason that I separate onion and vegetable because onion don't need to chopped very fine and all this vegetable is slightly harder than onions, so that's why we need to chop very fine this vegetable. That's how we want. Now we're going to chop all herbs. Now we're going to add lamb mince. This one is ready. Now we're going to make nice small round balls. So its bowl is ready. Now this meatball is ready for shallow fry. So I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon light olive oil in a pan and we're going to shallow fry. Now I'm going to add oil, and we want medium flame. So this lamb meatball take 7 to 8 minutes each side. So I'm going to close with lid, and the flame is low. So I will cook thoroughly vegetable, egg and lamb mince. Now looks like meatball is ready. Nice and golden brown. That's what we want. So now we're going to serve with salad. Doesn't it look colorful and looks so yummy? So yummy. I would like to say thank you so much for your support, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Until my next video, bye.